Good morning guys, welcome to yet another vlog. This vlog was really not planned, it is supremely random but फिर मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है करते हैं. I have a few things planned for you guys, not for you guys really, I have a few things planned for the day. So I just thought to take you guys along. I woke up in the morning, I took my bath and मैंने घर का पूजा किया. अभी I'm going to brush my teeth, make my detox water, have my breakfast. To be honest, this video won't be about breakfast, lunch per se, मतलब मैं क्या खा रही हूँ वगैरह वो नहीं, but I'll take you guys through my day in general and बहुत सारी cleaning करनी है. So without further ado, let's get started with the vlog.
Hold up.
Detox water right here and मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि अभी क्या करना है. Let me just show you guys. I'm in my room right now and I'm going to sip my detox water and have a few work. Some really hectic work to be honest. Let me just show you guys. So here are a few chocolates and you can just see that, oh my god, it's fine, it's not too dirty and all, but here's what the condition is. Like, I won't show you too much in details, but here's what the condition is. Some parts are like, I really need to clean all of this because it's a mess. And for my birthday, I really need to get ready and find things at the right place. So let's just do this together. गाइस, तो मैं जब क्लीन कर रही थी अपना वैनिटी, मेरा मैक का स्टूडियो फिक्स गिर गया एंड लुक एट व्हाट हैपेंड. ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट इज़ दिस लाइफ? इट्स फुल ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स. सो सिंस द प्रोसेस इज़ अ लिटिल टाइम टेकिंग, इसीलिए मैंने बीच में ब्रेक लिया. आई हैड माई ब्रेकफास्ट. आई एम हैविंग माई फ्रूट्स राइट नाउ, एप्पल, नाशपाती एंड सम ग्रेप फ्रूट. हु लाइक्स ग्रेप फ्रूट? एंड या, so I'm quickly going to have my fruits, complete the work and आज sorry मैं खाना खाते खाते बात कर रही हूँ. I also have to go to my grandparents' house because ever since I post-graduated I could not meet them. So yeah, there's a small celebration right there. Plus evening में भी एक छोटा सा happening. It's like an happening evening for me and a happening evening for me. So stay tuned and yes, let's carry on with the day. So Porav came to see me. He wasn't ready to be a part of my vlog. He doesn't probably even know that I'm vlogging him. See, he didn't know that I'm vlogging him. This guy got me birthday gift saying that he's just coming to meet me. We are sitting inside the in-house cafe right now, but this guy. आज ये नीचे से ही चला जा रहा है because not allowed right now because he's coming from outside, but वैसे भी मैं घर पे जंगली जानवर को इनवाइट नहीं करती. He's being shy right now. He usually has his answers ready when it comes to me. But anyway, Yeah, he's too blessed. So मैंने अपना आउटफिट निकाल लिया है. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम CK. द वॉच इज़ फ्रॉम CK. दिशा पत्नी के बाद उनको मुझे ही लेना चाहिए. जस्ट किडिंग. सो आई गॉट माई ब्लू डेनिम्स आउट. Classic t-shirt, jeans and watch. Super comfortable and yeah, I'm ready to go out, you guys. So I went to my grandparents' home. बहुत सारा मिठाई खाई मैं क्योंकि they are too happy कि I'm finally a postgraduate. Talking of postgraduate, Meghashri is a graduate and Shraumik is like उसका he's working, so he's way beyond our league. Never mind. So my mother is driving right now. Shraumik is there. We are going to the mall because you guys saw that my compact broke. Plus I have to get a few things for my birthday. And we are gonna celebrate our graduation, post-graduation a little with some dinner. I really hope the mall is not jam-packed or something because there's a chance. अगर वैसा हुआ तो हम लोग कुछ नहीं करने वाले, कुछ भी नहीं. But yeah, we are on our way right now. So we are inside the mall right now, and it is so well decorated because of Durga Puja.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So we finally came to eat after some shopping, even though khatam nahi ho paya. Meghashri is right here. And we are at Chili's. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I was dying to come to Chili's since a while. And yeah,
it's a long time. Not just on Instagram, I've been hearing from her over the video calls for the last 2 weeks.
yeah.
And she's claiming to come to Chili's.
So we are super excited, and yeah, I'll show you guys क्या खाए क्या नहीं खाए once the food arrives.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
It was such a good day, you guys. We had good food. मैंने थोड़ा बहुत pre-birthday shopping किया, and it was overall the whole day was so warm and so nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I love making vlogs. In fact, it is so spontaneous, so interactive. Let me know if you guys enjoy vlogs, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys so very soon. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye. Good night.